Hey everyone, this is Ikhlaq and you're watching Wiki Technos. So why Android phone gets slower over time? If you are watching this video, then you probably have noticed some lag in your Android device that was not there before. The apps load a bit later, the menus take a little long to show up. This actually and unfortunately is normal in Android. So let's talk about why this happens in Android and how to fix it. So before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll get notified next time I upload a video. So without a further ado, let's get started. Our Android phone doesn't have the same software it had a year ago. We probably have updated our Android and there's a high possibility with new update there are some pre-installed apps which run in the background and they are not nicely optimized for our device. Even if you haven't seen a single update in a year, the apps running on your phone are newer and updated. So they need a faster smartphone hardware as they are optimized for faster hardwares only and they perform worse on older devices. So how to fix it? Disable system apps like Google Hangouts, Google Play Music, etc. Try to install light version of app if available. For example, Facebook Lite. Do not use any live screen wallpapers. They are real RAM suckers. Do not use RAM clearing software or antiviruses on Android. They doesn't do much. Instead, they take space and they consume RAM of your Android device. Make sure you clear the cache of apps like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Android system runs on SSD, solid state drive. We also call it internal memory. The Android operating system operates in this memory. So when we have a lots of data in our internal storage, we have a lots of photos, videos, and the internal storage is almost full. The Android system and the apps appear much slower because the SSD or internal memory slows down when we fill them up. Cache files can take a lot of space if allowed to grow unchecked. Hence, they degrade the Android app performances. So, how to fix it? Photos and videos that you take up with your camera are going to be the largest culprit here. So, back up them online and try to delete them from your phone oftenly. You can do backup automatically using Google Photos. If you want to know how Google Photos work, click on the link in the card. I have posted a video there. Clearing cache files can free up your disk space and make Android file system perform better. Move apps to the SD card. If there's an option for moving apps to the SD card, then do that without hesitation. Don't install any task killer apps. I don't know why, but many people have this idea that installing task killer apps will help them in improving their Android performance, but that's just wrong. Don't install them for any reason, regardless of how laggy your phone is. Just follow the steps in this video. It will help. Trust me. Filling your Android home screen with live wallpapers and lots of widgets seems nice, but under the hood, they put a lot of pressure on hardware and hence decrease the performance of device. Sometimes you might have seen the Android device struggling to load the contents of home screen while playing games or while using some heavy apps. Keeping your home screen as clean as possible can be one of the ways to increase your Android device's performance. It doesn't have to load all the contents when you return to the home screen or wake your device from the sleep. If above options doesn't work for you, then there's a last option and that is rooting. I know that rooting voids the warranty of an Android device, but that doesn't matter here. The question here is, will rooting increase the performance of Android device? No, it doesn't, because rooting is just a process to open the window of opportunities. Now it's up to you how you use that rooting. It's up to you what you will do after rooting, how you can improve the performance. You can use it to remove the system apps. You can use it to install the custom ROMs. Actually, I'm planning to make a video on that. So make sure you subscribe this channel and watch that video when I upload that. And at last, I have just two advices for you. The apps you are not using are just garbage. Remove them. A simple restart is sometimes what your Android needs. That's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please tell me in comments, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.